Hello, good morning students. We are now going to start with our lesson 1.2, the fun they had. The fun they had in this lesson. The first we have warming up, and under the heading warming up there is a chit chat. And you know very well that there are some questions given here. What do you like best about your school? What do you like best about your school? You may answer that you like playground. You may like playground. Again, library. Nobody will say classroom. Nobody will say classroom. Why? Because we all want to play on the ground. We want to learn something more, something new about things. Now look at about other things that we don't know. And the next question, do you think school is fun? School is fun? Our answer is yes, because every student like to come to school. Without coming into the school on your mobile, on your laptop, on any website, you can read, you can get information, but it does not contain any kind of fun. So fun is most important, and you get fun in the school. Which is the part of your part that you don't like? Which part of the school you don't like? The third answer can be the classroom. Why classroom? You don't like it because you know that everybody has to sit there. Everybody has to listen. Everybody has to answer, watch, speak, read, and that is compulsory by sitting in a bench. So classroom is most avoidable thing in the school, as your opinion. Now see, what do we like? Playground, library, reading, any other thing than the classroom. The next question is, how often should the teacher give you a test? How often the teacher give you a test? And we know very well, sometime weekly, monthly, or 3 monthly. That is unit test. That is unit test. 1, 2, 3 times you are given tests in the school. Now here, after these chit chat questions, you are asked to classify. What to classify? You are given it before you. Read it. Classify. You are asked to write the words in a manner. In a manner. What are the manner? The ancient, modern, and futuristic. Ancient, modern, and futuristic. Ancient, prachin, modern, adhunik, and futuristic, coming in the future. These three categories are made. Now see, you have to read them. Read all the list below given. The list is bicycle, vehicle, bullock cart, tar roads, sheets, computer, floppy disk. Read it yourself. Who will read for me? Hello? Anybody else? No. Let me start with that. Bicycle will then there is bullock carts, tar roads, ships, computers, floppy disk, audio video cassette, telephone, books, vacuum cleaner, umbrella, earthen stove, fans, geography. We have read one column. In this column, bicycles are modern. Bicycles are modern. Wheels are ancient. And wheels are ancient. Bullock carts again ancient. Tar roads are modern. There were no tar roads in the ancient times. Then ships are also ancient, because in our mythology we find there were ships. Computers modern, floppy disks modern, audio video cassettes modern, telephones modern, books were there, but they weren't printed, they were written in ancient times, and in modern time they are printed. So books can come in both columns. Vacuum cleaners, they are modern. Umbrellas, earthen stoves are ancient. Fans. What are about fans? Fans are modern. Then we left geography. Geography is ancient, because our ancient ancestors were very well known to the demography of the area on the earth. So the next column, go to bullet trains. Bullet trains comes to the futuristic, because they are not in the present in India. They are supposed to be here in India. Robots are available since some years, 20, 30, 40 years, and so they are modern. Horse-drawn carriages were ancient as well as modern, not modern, they were ancient. The next is spaceships, they are modern. Televisions, modern. Windmills, ancient. Earth movers, modern. JCBs and other transport vehicles. Brushes, modern. Mobile phones, modern. Notebooks, ball pens, water on tap, electric lamps, air conditioner, microbiology, all these things are modern. Now go through the third column and find whether they are ancient, modern or futuristic. Flying cars are not now here on the earth, but they can be appear in the future. The cars will fly in the sky and there will be no need of road. So go through all the list and classify them in this. Okay, now I would like to turn to point number 2. Listen to the pronunciation of these words. Listen to the pronunciation of these words. See, what are the words? And you are told to practice all these words through a good dictionary. A digital dictionary, you know very well, तुम्हाला चांगलं माहिती आहे, तुमच्या मोबाईल मध्ये डिजिटल डिक्शनरी आहेत, ऑक्सफर्ड डिक्शनरी आहे, मराठी लँग्वेज डिक्शनरी आहेत आणि त्याच्यामध्ये इतरही लँग्वेजेस आहेत. आता त्याच्यावर डिस्कस नको, पण गुड डिक्शनरी मध्ये जर तुम्ही गेलात तर तुम्हाला ऑक्सफर्ड सारख्या डिक्शनरी मध्ये साइडला एक कॉलम मिळतो. त्या कॉलम मध्ये त्या ठिकाणी स्पीकर असतो. तो तुम्हाला त्या शब्दाचा उच्चार ऑडिओली कसा आहे हे कळवून देतो, ऐकवून देतो. तुम्ही याची प्रॅक्टिस स्वतःहून तुमच्या स्वतःच करू शकता. ठीक आहे. नाउ सी, go to the page number 6. Have you completed with column number 3? I think you have. So go to next page and you will get the lesson. What is there? Look at the margin. Look at the margin. What is there in the margin? There are some questions. There are 3 questions. A guideline is given. I mean 4 questions are there. For having answer to this question, you will have to go through the text. Go through the text. And what is the story of it? What is the story of it? In short, on page number 6, the story is on page number 6. The story is there are 2 boys, 2 kids. The first one is Tommy and the second one is Margie or Margie. You may pronounce as on your own way, but it is Margie. Tommy and Margie. Boy, girl. Now, when you read to the first 2 lines, first short paragraph, you will come to know about the time of the story. See, the fun they had. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary. On the page headed 17 May 2157, he wrote, "Today, Tommy found a real book." What is the meaning of it? Margie even wrote about it in that night in her diary. मार्गीने तिच्या डायरीमध्ये त्या दिवशी लिहून ठेवलेलं होतं रात्रीला की तिच्या एका पानावर वरती हेडेड टायटल होतं 17 मे 2157. 17 मे 2157. Now here we are on आज आपण 23/6/2021 मध्ये आहोत आणि या ठिकाणी दिनांक आहे 2157. मीन्स this title is in the future आणि टायटल खाली लिहिलेलं होतं that Tommy found a real book. टॉमीला एक रियल बुक आढळलं. रियल बुक. What do you mean by real book? Real book means printed book. Printed book. You know very well that we all do have only printed books that we buy from the store and learn at in our school. But now see, this year because of corona we are all online and we do have books also online. The words, sentences can be dragged, selected, formatted or moved somewhere or copied somewhere or whatever we do want to, we can do with it. But was it before 10 years? No, it wasn't. Because since the ancient times, we are reading the since the modern age has started, we are reading printed books. What was in the ancient time? It was only oral knowledge was given, orally recited and remembered. In the modern age, we have printed books. And what is coming now? We have digital books on our palm top and we can turn it, scroll it and select it and direct it as we Like, so now in 2157, Tommy got a real book. Real book means printed book. And it was very amazing, it was very wonderful to see a book which is printed one, because there were no source of printing, there were no source of paper, everything was going on in a digital way. And Margie wrote about it. It was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. बघा, मार्गी म्हणते की इट वॉज अ व्हेरी ओल्ड बुक. ते एक खूप जुनं असं पुस्तक होतं, खूप जुनं पुस्तक होतं. आणि वन्स हर ग्रँडफादर हॅड टोल्ड हर, तिच्या आजोबांनी तिला एकदा सांगितलं होतं की, काय सांगितलेलं होतं की देअर वॉज अ टाइम व्हेन ऑल स्टोरीज वेअर प्रिंटेड ऑन पेपर. सर्व काही गोष्टी ह्या पेपरवर छापलेल्या असत. द वर्ड्स वेअर प्रिंटेड, or in reality they were not moving, they were steady. They turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly, and it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen, you know. Margie also wrote underneath. Margie wrote at first, today Tommy found a real book. Today Tommy found a real book. And then she wrote that the book was hard copy, and as they turned the pages of the book, the words did not move. The paper of the book was yellow and crinkly. तो जो कागद होता पुस्तकाचा तो आता पिवळा पडलेला होता. It became yellow, pale. It was not as white it should be, and it was crinkly. त्याला भरपूर काही सुरकुत्या पडलेल्या होत्या, मोडकळीस तो आलेला होता. And it was awfully funny to read words that stood still. जे शब्द एकाच जागी स्थिर राहतात असे शब्द वाचायला बघायला खूप मजा वाटत होती किंवा विनोदी वाटत होतं. Because on the digital screen the words can move from here and there, you can copy them, but here the situation was not so. अशी परिस्थिती नव्हती. The words were still and it was funny. कारण त्या कालावधीमध्ये, तो कालावधी 1957 चा कालावधी फ्युचर मधला, की देअर वेअर नो बुक्स and only digital books were there. So go to the next line. On the screen, instead of moving the way they were supposed to on the screen, you know. And then when they turn back to the page before, जेव्हा ते मागील पानावर पुन्हा पान पलटून येत होते तेव्हा the words were, it had the same words on it that it had when they read it the first time. पहिल्यांदा त्यांनी जेव्हा वाचलं तेव्हा जे शब्द होते तेच शब्द आता देखील त्यावर तसेच तसे होते. आणि हे बघून त्या ठिकाणी त्यांना मजा वाटत होती किंवा इट वॉज फनी, त्यांना मजा येत होती. आणि याच ठिकाणी टॉमीला मात्र कंटाळा आला होता. तो म्हणतो गी एक तिरस्कार व्यंजक उच्चार. तिरस्कार व्यंजक उच्चार, नापसंती दर्शक असा शब्द, नापसंती दर्शवणारा शब्द. गी से टॉमी, व्हॉट अ वेस्ट. किती ही नासाडी आहे बरं. When you are through with the books, you just throw it away. जेव्हा हे पुस्तक तुमचं वाचून होईल किंवा वाचून झालेलं असेल तेव्हा हे पुस्तक तुम्हाला हार्ड कॉपी ही फेकून द्यावी लागेल. आय गेस, आणि असंच मला वाटतं, आवर टेलिव्हिजन स्क्रीन मस्ट हॅव हॅड अ मिलियन बुक्स ऑन इट. आणि आपला जो टेलिव्हिजनचा स्क्रीन आहे त्या टेलिव्हिजनच्या स्क्रीनवर शेकडो हजारो पुस्तकं आताही आहेत की जी फेकून देण्यासारखी नाहीत. स्क्रीन मस्ट हॅव हॅड अ मिलियन बुक्स ऑन इट अँड इट्स गुड फॉर प्लेंटी मोर. आणखी या स्क्रीनवर कित्येक पुस्तकं मावू शकतील. आय वुड नॉट थ्रो इट अवे. आणि मी ते पुस्तकं फेकून देणार नाही. हार्ड कॉपीज when they become yellow, crinkly, out of use, you have to throw away and you will have nothing. But on the television screen or computer screen, you have millions of books and you can keep them with you, and they do not become yellow, crinkly or wastage. You can keep them for many years. Same. I would not throw it away. Same with mine, said Margie. And now Margie said, मी सुद्धा तसाच विचार करते. She was 11 and had seen a many textbook. Hadn't seen as many textbooks as Tommy had. He was 13. Tommy 13 वर्षाचा होता. His age is 13 years. And Margie is 10 years old. Right? Or 11 years old. She is 11 years old and she was smaller than Tommy, and Tommy had an experience of reading many books than Margie. Margie said, where did you find it? Find it? What do you mean by it? The real book. The real book. कुठे सापडलं तुला हे पुस्तक? She asked to Tommy. In my house, he pointed without looking because he was busy reading in the attic. He was busy reading the book, busy doing his job, and for this question, he just pointed to the attic. Attic म्हणजे माळा, पोटमाळा, where he was reading it, where he got it. And he said in the attic, what is it about? Tommy replied that it is about school. Tommy replied that it is about school. Margie was very scornful. School? Margie was very scornful. She said, school? What there is to write about school? I hate school. शाळेबद्दल काय लिहायला पाहिजे? मला नाही आवडत शाळा. Margie always hated school. मार्गीला नेहमीच शाळा आवडत नव्हती. ती नेहमीच शाळेचा तिरस्कार करत होती. She hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. परंतु आता तर मार्गी अधिकाधिक शाळेचा अधिकाधिक तिरस्कार करू लागली होती. And what was the reason behind it? काय कारण होतं बरं मार्गीला शाळेचा तिरस्कार वाटत होता, आवडत नव्हती? Because the mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. Now see, Margie always hated school. मार्गीला शाळा आवडतच नव्हती. का आवडत नव्हती? तर अलीकडच्या कालावधीमध्ये शाळेबद्दल तिचा तिरस्कार, हेट्रेड खूपच वाढला होता. बिकॉज हर मेकॅनिकल टीचर, द वर्ड मेकॅनिकल टीचर. डू यू हॅव मेकॅनिकल टीचर्स टुडे? नो. वी आर हियर. Your class teacher, your subject teacher, your headmaster personally are available or are there in the school. We talk to you, we listen to you, we ask you a question, you ask us question, we satisfy your question, your ideas, we learn your ideas and satisfy you. But what about mechanical teacher? Mechanical teacher, that is a machine, that is a computer based teacher who will teach you in the same way every time. And if there is a technical problem in that computer, the mechanical teacher or the tutor or the speaker or the machine will go either very slow or either very fast, or it will hang up. And does this happen about me or anybody of your teacher? That teacher is hanged. No. In the continuous period in front of the board, a teacher is hanged. It is not possible. It is just funny. But what about Margi? Margi's mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test. मार्गीचा जो कॉम्प्युटर टीचर होता, मेकॅनिकल टीचर होता, तांत्रिक शिक्षक होता, तांत्रिक ट्युटर होता, तो एका मागून एक तिच्या स्क्रीनवर तिला टेस्ट सोडवायला देत होता. कशावरच्या? तर ऑन इन जॉग्राफी, भूगोल विषयामधला टेस्ट देत होता. अँड शी हॅड बीन डुईंग वर्स अँड वर्स एव्हरी टाइम. आणि प्रत्येक टेस्टला मार्गीतला कमीत कमी मार्क मिळत जात होते, मार्क कमी होत जात होते, तिचा परफॉर्मन्स चांगला राहत नव्हता. अंटिल हर मदर हॅड शेकन हर हेड. अखेरीस तिच्या आईनच नाही म्हटलं आणि सॉरोफुल आणि सेंट फॉर द काउंटी इन्स्पेक्टर. अनदर वर्ड, काउंटी inspector. Inspector, that is a vigilant, counting about a specific area. A person who will looking after a specific area is called a county inspector. Just we do have a teacher looks to his takes care of his class. A headmaster or superintendent takes care of and takes information from all teachers, and other officials in our education sector every time ask for information. So they are block officers. Here the county office inspector is like a block officer, because all the teachers are not person. All the teachers of the boys in 2157 were only mechanical teacher, and they were inspected by a county inspector. If in this mechanical teacher finds any problem in the mechanism, the county inspector can go there and correct it. He would solve the problem from the mechanism of the mechanical teacher or the mechanical tutor of the computer. So come on. What happened? Margi's mother also found that it is not possible for Margi to give test after test, and her performance was going very low and low every time. So she asked for the county inspector if there was any problem in their machine. He was a round little man with a red face. See, who is he? He means the county inspector. या काउंटी इन्स्पेक्टरचं वर्णन या ठिकाणी दिलेलं आहे, डिस्क्रिप्शन. हाऊ ही वॉज अ राउंड हेडेड पर्सन. हिज फेस वॉज व्हेरी रेड अँड a whole box of tools with dials and wires. What he had? त्याच्याजवळ एक पेटी होती आणि त्या पेटीमध्ये सर्व साहित्य होतं. त्याच्यामध्ये व्हील्स होते, त्याच्यामध्ये डायल्स होते, वायर्स होत्या, आणि या सर्व गोष्टी घेऊन अ काउंटी इन्स्पेक्टर कम्स. व्हॉट अबाउट अवर ब्लॉक इन्स्पेक्टर? व्हेन अवर ब्लॉक इन्स्पेक्टर कम्स, ही कम्स विथ अ गुड ब्रेन. He comes with new ideas to tell us. He comes with comes in prospect of our what we had done in our school, how sharp or how the learning is going on in the school. But here the county inspector was not looking anything like that, was not in the prospect of looking anything like that. The county inspector is a machinist, and he came there with all his dials and wires and tools. For what purpose? To perfect the mechanical teacher, that is the machine. So the person, and the description of a person, that county inspector was round-headed, as well as his face was very red, and he came with a box. His box was full of wires and dials. Go ahead. Sorry. Now he smiled at Margie and gave her an apple. Then took the teacher apart. He came, तो आला, त्या मार्गी the county inspector आले आणि त्यांनी मार्गीला as a present an apple, एक सफरचंद दिलं आणि take the mechanical teacher apart. As a mechanic comes to our home and our not working machine takes with him for the purpose he has to solve, the problem he has to solve. In that way, the mechanical teacher, that is the box, the CPU, he took out, means the mechanical teacher was taken apart. So he took the mechanical teacher apart, and त्याने तो mechanical teacher means the CPU म्हणजेच तो computer बाजूला घेतला. Margie had hoped he would not know how to put it together again. आणि मार्गीला असं वाटलं की ह्या मेकॅनिकल टीचरला या काउंटी इन्स्पेक्टरला पुन्हा हा मेकॅनिकल टीचर आणि स्क्रीन एकमेकांना काही जोडता येणार नाही. But he knew how all right, and after an hour or so, there he was again, large and black and ugly. Now see, Margie says, की थोड्या वेळानंतर, अर्ध्या तासानंतर किंवा थोड्या वेळा त्यापेक्षा जास्त वेळानंतर ते काउंटी इन्स्पेक्टर नावाचा व्यक्ती जो होता तो आला आणि was again कसा, तर लार्ज अँड ब्लॅक अँड अगली, मोठा आणि काळपट रंगाचा अँड अगली, कुरूप दिसणारा असा व्यक्ती आला. with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. तो काळ्या रंगाचा मोठा, भला मोठा, कुरूप दिसणारा असा एक मेकॅनिकल टीचर घेऊन आला आणि त्याने तो जोडला की ज्यावर आता मात्र, ज्याच्या पडद्यावर, स्क्रीनवर आता मात्र सर्व प्रश्न विचारले जात होते, सर्व काही धडे दिसत होते. दॅट वॉजंट सो बॅड, आणि त्याच्यामुळे आता तो काही तेवढासा तितका दिसण्याप्रमाणे वाईट नव्हता. बिकॉज ऑल लेसन्स वेअर देअर अँड क्वेश्चन्स वेअर आस्क्ड. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework. मार्गीला अत्यंत तिरस्कार या मेकॅनिकल टीचर मधला कोणता वाटत होता? द स्लॉट, ती जागा की ज्या ठिकाणी होमवर्क दिला जात होता, ज्या ठिकाणी टेस्ट पेपर सोडवावे लागत होते, ती ड्रॉप डाऊन विंडो किंवा तो स्लॉट तिला आवडत नव्हता, त्याचा ती तिरस्कार करत होती. शी ऑलवेज हॅड टू राईट देम आउट इन अ पंच कोड दे मेड हर लर्न व्हेन शी वॉज 6 years old. त्यांनी ती 6 वर्षाची असतानाच तिला एक पंच कोड, आपल्याला एखादा पिन नंबर दिलेला असतो त्याप्रमाणे तो पिन नंबर, पंच कोड तिला देण्यात आलेला होता. 6 वर्षाची ती असताना तिला तो पंच कोड त्यांनी पाठ करायला लावला होता आणि तो पंच कोड टाकला की तिचा टेस्ट पेपर वगैरे सुरू होत असेल. they made her learn when she was 6 years old. Now she is 11 years old. In last 5 years, she kept that punch code in her mind. She was 6 years old and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. आणि तो पंच कोड टाकता बरोबर तिच्या टेस्ट पेपरचे मार्क्स तो पंच कोड टाकता बरोबर लगेचच काउंट करून देत होता. In this way, this is part 1. We are finishing here. We will be present here in our next period tomorrow. Thank you. I end the class here now.